Hi there, I'm Peter Vox and welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy, proudly brought to you by the ultimate online singing course, streaming you high quality singing lessons anywhere, anytime. If you like this channel, please click subscribe so you can keep up with all of the new videos that we will be releasing. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing or your singing, please click the links below. We would be honored to help you out, or someone that you know with their singing. We guarantee singing results in 3 weeks if you follow the singing teacher's advice. This segment's question is, how do singing lessons work and what happens in singing lessons at Vox Singing Academy? First and foremost, there are numerous singing lessons that are held at Vox Singing Academy. We run private singing lessons in studio, online, group classes. We also have intensive vocal workshops that run between 4 and also 8 hours. But I'm going to give you a run through of what happens in the private one-on-one singing lessons online and in studio, because they are the most popular lesson that we give. The lessons are half an hour. They generally happen once a week, and the lesson prices range between $35 to $60, depending on the teacher's level of expertise, knowledge and experience. Now, the lessons are half an hour, generally one per week, and you might be saying, well, that's too short, I'm not going to get much out of it. But let me guarantee you that all Vox Singing Academy singing lessons are very intense and straight to the point. There is no idle chit chat with our singing lessons. Basically, the introduction, when you first come into your lesson, especially your second and third lessons, it's basically how your week was, how is your voice, how is your practice with your scales and your songs, and how are your goals coming along. Then it's basically stuck straight into the class. The student is expected to be warmed up before they come to their class so that we can get stuck straight into singing and not waste time in the class warming up the voice. At Vox Singing Academy, we really make the students accountable. So we really make sure that they know what they have to do to improve their voice, because without practice and dedication, your voice isn't going to improve. Please always remember that your voice is a muscle, and it's like going to the gym, and it needs to be strengthened and trained, and you need to do a little bit every day. Let me give you a run through of what happens in the most important lesson at Vox Singing Academy, which is the very first lesson that you will have. What will happen is the teacher will sit you down on the first lesson, and they will want to know as much about your artistic self as you could possibly tell them. The more that you can tell the teacher, the quicker that they can help you out. The more knowledge the teacher has about you, the quicker that they can help you out achieving your goals to do with your singing. So there'll be a quick Q&A session. In that Q&A session, we'll be covering genre of music that you like to sing, your experience as a singer, and what you want to achieve and get out of singing lessons. Straight after this, you as a student will be asked to sing a song so that the singing teacher can give you their opinion about your voice and tell you what we need to do to improve your voice to make you a great singer. Straight after this, we'll be giving you a scale or running through a scale. This will be recorded for you to practice at home, and scales are ma. These will improve your voice, strengthen your voice. This is like going to the gym for your voice, and mainly working on your weaker points if you need to work on any weaker points. Now, the length that you'll be practicing will vary depending on whether you're a professional singer or a hobby singer. But again, you're not going to improve your voice if you're not going to practice. There is no magic pill. The teacher, very importantly, will always be holding you accountable by going through your practice regimen and what you have to do and what's expected to be brought into the next lesson and the second lesson. Let's go into the second and future classes. Basically, with the future classes, you'll be predominantly doing songs, obviously, working through songs of your choice, as long as these songs are in a good key for your voice and they suit your vocal range and level of experience. We'll also be going over scales. We'll be giving you more scales to improve your voice and the different elements of singing and skills. We'll also be going and covering breathing and teaching you how to breathe through your diaphragm properly. Now, what you'll be doing in the class will be up to the teacher's discretion, so that they can make you the best singer they possibly can, so that you can achieve your goals as a singer as quickly as we possibly can. You may be doing more scales if you need to focus on certain aspects of your voice, or more singing if you need to get more experience. If you're a beginner, more singing so that you can apply these skills when you get up on stage for the very first time. Depending on the student's needs, we also do cover microphone technique, stage presentation, crowd interaction. We also go over songwriting, composition, and structure. We also go through vocal coaching, which is a little bit different, which is to do with vocal health, preparing for a performance, overcoming performance anxiety, also preparing for a recording session or before touring. We also go over motivation, life coaching, and most particularly goal setting as well too. So that's a very brief and quick run through of what we basically cover. You can also view our singing lessons on our YouTube channel, on the Vox Singing Academy YouTube channel. Please go to the playlist of actual Vox singing lessons and you can see some singing lessons with myself and also my other singing teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Please keep your questions coming. Put them in the comments below and I'll get back to as many of them as I possibly can. Enjoy your singing and thanks for watching. Bye for now.